Question number 9 of test series 12 is from Geotech from chapter of consolidation. In this question, it is given that a normally consolidated clay which is having it settles equal to 8 mm when pressure is increased from, this is sigma naught is 1 kg per centimeter square to sigma 1 as 3 kg per centimeter square. Now additional settlement for the same soil for further increase from 3 kg per centimeter square to 6 kg per centimeter square, what will be the settlement 2? Now if we talk about long term settlement, because of consolidation, settlement is given by Cc into height of the sample into 1 plus E naught into log to the base 10 sigma plus sigma dash upon sigma. Now if we talk about S1 into S2, it is very much clear that settlement is directly proportional to log to the base 10 sigma plus delta sigma upon sigma naught, and for both the conditions we know initial stress, we know final stress, hence we can compute change in stress for first soil sample as 2 kg per centimeter square, and for second sample, for second case, delta sigma comes out to be 3 kg per centimeter square. So we can write that S1 upon S2, it will be the ratio of log 3 is to log 2. That is after substituting the value of sigma plus delta sigma and sigma naught. In this case, it will come out to be 2 and it will come out to be 6 plus 3, 9 divided by 3, that is 3. So log 3 is to log 2. Hence S1 can be written as 8, S2 can be written as, we have to compute S2, that is 8 multiplied by log 2 is to log 3, which upon simplification comes out to be 5.04 mm, which is approximately 5 mm. So correct answer for question number 9 comes out to be option A.